Make it your own. How to customize your home screen. This short tutorial will review how to customize the cards on your home screen. Let's start from the top. These are the banners where you'll be able to see current promotions, new launches, and all the latest news and updates from LifePharm. The banners rotate from left to right within seconds, and you can always click on the banners to get more information about a specific banner. Below the banner area, you'll see your most recent alert that went out, which is also clickable. Under the recent alert is your media card and the rest of your cards section. The cards allow you to see a short preview of that specific card. For example, in the media card, you can see a little bit of the information and how you would see it displayed in the media section. Now, I'll click on the Add Cards button below the media card, the little plus sign there. You'll see all of the different cards that I can add to my home screen. I'm going to go ahead and add all of them now by clicking the button on the left for each of these. Now, I'm going to hit Save Card Layout. Now, you can see my home screen is updated. I have the media card just like I did before, but then I have the other cards that we just had, so I have all of that on my home screen now. You can also change what is on the home screen by clicking the Cards button again. I'm now customizing my layout again, and I'm now turning off a couple of these cards. And maybe I want to see alerts as the first one. All I'm doing is dragging the handle at the far right side, where I can move these different items up and down. So it's that 9 little set of dots over on the right. So that's what I want to see in my app. I want to see alerts, prospects, and then media. I'm going to hit Save Card Layout. And now I have exactly that. Each time I open the app, I'll see alerts, prospects, and then media. This feature is great because you get to customize what you want to see first, giving you either the most actionable information or showing you the next step of what needs to be sent. Whatever it may, you have the power to tailor it based on your needs. So, on this home screen, you'll notice that on each card at the top right is a Go button. When you click that Go button, you're taken to the full version of what that card will be. In this case, it was Media. Now I'm in the entire section of Media, where I still have all the same things I had before. You can collapse or expand, scroll left and right, or up and down. You'll still have all the same tools and all the same resources that you had before. You can still share, and you can still post. You'll notice that this enables you to get an even more streamlined process of sharing in posts. This is how you can tailor your home screen to you and make the most of the Share app.